Hello everyone, this is Rider 390 and you must be wondering why I am standing at Curry Road railway station. So just for your information, yesterday only I just went to VT, the camera market, for some modification in my SJ4000 action camera. As many of you knows that SJ4000 doesn't have that much audio quality, so I just decided to modify my SJ4000. So I just took my camera and went to the camera market, and I found a guy who just agreed to do some modification in my SJ4000. So yesterday only he just called me that the modification is done and my camera is now working very properly. So today I am going to receive my SJ4000. So let's go and check out how exactly the audio quality is now. So finally I am at CST, and from here I have to go to camera market, CST camera market, and it will took hardly 10 to 15 minutes by walk, because CST camera market is totally near to the railway station. So let's enjoy the street way.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
So the camera market is started from here, and this is still Sulaba. There are too many shops of cameras. So let's check it out. This is a cloth shop, okay? It's not a camera shop. Yeah, actually it will start from here. There are also small shops of mobiles, camera, lot of things, lot of stuffs.
You down just like a pill.
Gigi boy, Dada boy, Mark. Wow. So from central camera showroom, you have to take this lane and the shop is inside this lane. There is one building called his name. There is one building called Ganesh Chambers, and on the ground floor, the shop is there. So again, there are a lot of camera shops. Lot of camera shops. You can't say you will get these accessories in cheap, but comparatively, it is cheaper. Wow. Hardly 15 minutes walk from your CST railway station, and you will find that shop. From Bunty you have to take a left turn again. Look at this tripod. Whoa. Harley 750, empty 750. Wow. My love, Harley 750. So this is Ganesh Chamber Business Center, and the shop name is Zoom. Finally, I reached the shop and I received my cam, and the cam is perfectly okay. It is working very well. It's working more effective than the original. It performs very well, and I am very much happy with the work. And right now I am at the Zoom Care shop. If you need any information about the guy, so I am putting his name and contact number in the description box below. You can contact him. He is a very good person. I think I have a new SJ cam now. So as you can see, this is my USB audio port, so I can connect external mic and I can easily vlog, and the voice quality will be super duper class. So this is gonna end of my vlog today, and right now I am going to show you the person who did this work very properly. So he is the guy who helped me to एकदम मस्त man, right? So he is the guy who helped me to do this modification in my SJ cam. You can done any modification in your camera. So this is the end of my vlog. So this is Rider 390. Bye bye, take care and ride safe.